In the current geopolitical landscape, we stand on the precipice of a global conflict unlike anything we have ever witnessed. The battlefield, not the familiar territories of Earth, but the vast, uncharted expanse of space. The potential star warriors, the usual powerhouses, the United States, China, and Russia. But what kind of unprecedented weaponry might be deployed in this cosmic conflict? And when might this celestial clash come to an end? Let's venture into the speculative realm of a world war in space. The underlying tensions on Earth that could ignite this interstellar conflict have been simmering for quite some time. A relentless digital arms race for technological supremacy is already in full swing among the world's major powers. International treaties, once the bedrock of global stability, are now fraying at the edges. Moreover, climate change is transforming the Arctic into a strategic military hotspot, compelling nations to enhance their capabilities with anti-satellite and other space-capable technologies. This volatile concoction of international relations has the potential to spark a war that extends beyond our atmosphere into the cold void of space. Would this extraterrestrial war still bear the title of a world war? Engaging in debates over semantics might seem trivial when we would be fighting in entirely new frontiers. Despite the novel setting, the war would still be constrained by our current understanding of space and time. However, this does not dismiss the possibility of interdimensional conflicts in a distant future. The technologies that would be harnessed for space warfare represent an evolution beyond our current capabilities. The major powers would be compelled to expedite the development of a new genre of weapons. Satellites, once peaceful sentinels of the Earth, could be transformed into sophisticated communication disruptors, anti-missile systems, or even high-energy lasers capable of striking targets from orbit. Advanced nations would also likely develop spacecraft specifically designed for combat beyond traditional orbits. These vessels could be either piloted by humans or operate autonomously. Armed with high-yield weapons for close-range skirmishes and long-range laser weapons for targeting objectives on Earth, they might resemble futuristic fighter jets engineered for navigating the vacuum of space. Among the most devastating new weapons could be the rods from God, heavy tungsten rods dropped from satellites that carry the destructive power of a nuclear weapon without the radioactive fallout. Entire cities could be obliterated with the push of a button, leaving no trace of their existence. While the war is waged in the heavens, Earth could still face catastrophic consequences. As the conflict intensifies in space, the battle lines would likely continuously expand with the development of more sophisticated technology. This could lead to a deadly contest over strategic locations such as Mars, the asteroid belt, or even the moons of the outer planets. The global destruction of satellites would have dire repercussions on Earth, disrupting essential technologies such as communication, navigation, and weather forecasting. Economies would crumble as trade agreements disintegrate, and the budgets of powerful nations would be redirected almost entirely toward advancing their space military capabilities. Every night, gazing up at the stars, one might catch a glimpse of the flashes of orbital battles, a stark reminder of the inescapable reality of war. The unpredictability of such a conflict is immense, shifting the focus from terrestrial conquests to the boundless expanse of space. What starts as a battle for control over satellites could escalate into the construction of massive space stations, serving as bases for deep space exploration and conflict. The resolution of such a conflict is difficult to predict, if it ever comes to an end at all. Perhaps an advanced alien civilization might intervene to diplomatically resolve the conflict, ushering in a new era of interstellar cooperation. However, this could also lead to a new conflict with extraterrestrial species, raising questions about our place in the cosmic order. It raises the question, could the appearance of aliens prevent a world war in the first place, or would it simply herald the beginning of a new chapter in the saga of human conflict? As the war progresses, new alliances could form, not just among nations on Earth, but potentially with other civilizations across the galaxy. The concept of enemy and ally might take on new meanings as the dynamics of intergalactic politics come into play. The introduction of alien technology could revolutionize the way warfare is conducted, introducing weapons and defense systems that are beyond our current imagination. The impact of such a war on human society would be profound. The destruction of satellites and the potential for attacks on Earth could lead to widespread chaos as communication networks collapse and essential services are disrupted. The psychological effects of a war fought in the heavens, visible in the night sky, could have a deep impact on the collective human psyche, altering our perceptions of our place in the universe.
In this scenario, the concept of victory becomes ambiguous. What does it mean to win a war that is fought across the vastness of space, involving technologies and possibly beings that are beyond our current comprehension?